The name of this course is Evil Acts, Religious Reasons. This is a course that was developed really as a response to the events of 9/11. And after I read a very influential book by a gentleman named Charles Kimball. The name of the book is When Religion Becomes Evil. It's the textbook that we use for this course. By the way, Charles Kimball is now the director of Religious Studies program here at the University of Oklahoma, so we're very fortunate for that. The nature of this course is really comparative religious studies. By that, we're going to look at the way that the various religious traditions of the world conflict and differ, but also the ways that they are the same. And I think it's the similarities between the religious traditions that actually cause the problem more so than the differences. In the course of this class, you're going to be participating in discussion board questions, and you're also going to be submitting reflective journals to me. I will ask you to define specific terms for each of the units. At the end of the course, you're going to submit to me a personal religious biography. What that means is you're going to look at your own personal religious beliefs, do some research about the belief system that you hold. That is, how did it evolve? Is it a branch of another religious tradition? And so on and so forth. I always find the religious biographies very enlightening and very much fun to read. And I think that the students also find it very enlightening, as they often learn things about their own religious beliefs and backgrounds that they were not aware of. The course is not designed to prove any one specific religious tradition is the true religious tradition. In fact, students who are hoping that that will be the case will probably be very disappointed. The course is designed to, as...
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, give me just a sec. When I wrote my master's thesis, I did my research on David Koresh and the Branch Davidians. So I have a very deep interest in, and passionate interest in, what are called religious originals, or new religious movements. And some of that content will be included in this course as we look at the nature of cults and sects and so forth. What I hope that students achieve at the end of this course is really just a broader understanding of the different world religious traditions and more of a tolerance for the differences in the world. Because as the world gets smaller through global communications and globalization, we're all going to be faced with having to deal and contend with people of different religious backgrounds and different religious faiths. So it's imperative that we all be more understanding and be better educated about the things and the ways that other people choose to believe and to live out their faiths.